Good morning, Zimbabwe. Chinotimba finally erupted, confronting Machacha over the shameless parade of cash handouts and flashy cars, mocking even Maiweli with that crude line. Munongoti, chero atambisa motopa pano vasina nemabasa. Sara pina mashoko buda achibuda panguva inoitaurwa naKerina Mjati anouya achiposta video ratoona kuti aiwa Chinotimba anouya achiataka ava naMachacha achiti aiwa sei muchingoflasha mari mahandouts kuna vanhu vanongotamba aiwa vamwe vanenge vachingotambisa magadziko nyange vasina kana nebasa zvaro even mubato chaimo vanongoya achingoflashiwa panguva ino achiuya achicriticize this move. Not for subscribe or like it on the bell icon. Tinapenda Kerina Mjati amudanyira achiti it was the raw honesty. They never expected a mirror held up to their own indecency. Machacha stood there, stunned, exposed, but the truth had slipped out in broad daylight. For years, Mnangagwa and his inner circle, the PANE, as they call themselves, they've dug themselves deeper into a pit of their own making, a pit built from arrogance, excess, and contempt for ordinary Zimbabweans. They believed the ground beneath them was solid. They believed no one would ever challenge their theatrics of generosity while the nation starves. A day always comes, and when that day arrives, that hole they dug with their own hands will be sealed, stone by stone, truth by truth, and they will sink with it, buried not by enemies, but by the weight of their own deeds, the voices they tried so hard to silence. Tomashika mudanyoko panguva ino atona kuti awa Machacha chachi atakiwa na Chinotimba panguva ino opererwa after asara ari exposed. Ndakume section medu za fundo aim to pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, share on the bell.